in the IT and various other departments in Bangladesh as such. UBM India has been conducting this event on a regular basis across the globe, and from India perspective, we've been expanding our activities to the SAARC region. We've been doing events in Sri Lanka, and we have started our activities from an event and conference activities in Bangladesh also. This is the fifth event, the CTO Forum, CTO Summit that we are doing in Bangladesh. We actually create a platform for the vendors and the IT decision makers, the IT buyers and the various other decision makers and aiders of the telecom IT infrastructure procurement to meet in a common place and have a discussion which will take immense to the development of the country as well as to the development of their own companies as such. Just to give you a brief about UBM India, we are a global media company. We are based out of London. We are listed with the London Stock Exchange. Our expertise are from a B2B perspective, business to business perspective. Across the globe, we have about 150 to 200 conferences that we do globally. We have about 100 publications and about another 100 websites that we have, each catering to different verticals. We have right from your food ingredients to pharma, textiles, IT, your nuclear energy, transportation, aviation. These are some of the verticals that we have been catering to from a B2B perspective as such. Like for example, as I said, pharma industry, we're talking to the people who are in with the various presentations that we have. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request Mr. S.M. Ashraful Islam, Executive Director, Bangladesh Computer Council, BCC, to deliver his valuable speech.
Next Generation IT Infrastructure Summit, organized by UBM and CTO Forum jointly, NVDS, respectable Secretary ICT Division, and Chair of this session, CTO Forum Bangladesh Chair Mr. Tapon, Mr. Anis. No ladies, I see. So the gentlemen.
Ladies are there.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I can say. Good afternoon. First of all, I'd like to welcome our guests from other countries to this august occasion. Technology is now part of life, and I work for an organization that has started long before with first computerization of Bangladesh, and then now it has become the flagship organization of Digital Bangladesh. We work from policy making to industry, enabling industrial development, human resource in this area. We are connecting Bangladesh actually. On the table, one of our journalists asking what we are doing new. We are actually connecting the Bangladesh, all the government offices, and from December now on, we will connect 18,300 and more offices at Upazila levels. That is the local government, the organized local government here in middle. The lowest tier is Union Parishad, and we, through another of our projects, we are going to and taking the experience. Actually, India is very high up. Anyhow, we are trying to take a lesson from India and develop the IT BPM industry here in Bangladesh. And you know that Accenture has already started working in here. We have Samsung R&D and we have many other small initiatives in Bangladesh. Last week I visited also Chittagong, that is the home place of Mr. Tapon. There also BPM industry, some call centers and software industries are also coming up. And you know that Bangladesh is the now Elance and Rolex says the third largest destination of outsourcing in the world. Maybe last week, earlier it was 500,000 people doing outsourcing, freelancing in Bangladesh. Now they say it's 700,000. So in that area also Bangladesh is coming up. We have another advertising actually for those BPM industry who wants to, you are all a technical person and maybe some of you are with it. They are highly educated. Actually in Bangladesh, 16 years of education, mostly they learn English also, but you need to polish them. I tell you one story. We have started one training program. We call it FTFL, First Track Future Leaders. We are eyeing them to be the middle-level managers within a short period of time. When we were recruiting them, their English and communication skill was very low. So we have started training them in one of our coveted institutions called PAR, Bangladesh Academy for Rural Development. And there, after 7 days of training, we find them a different person in communication technology. So first learners, the young talents are here. I believe that the BPM industry follows the talents. Where talent is available, then we'll go there, because Bangladesh has got other connectivity, electricity, and enabling environment. Government is developing a lot of professionals, and you know that the University of Science and Technology is all over the country now, and they all have this science related, actually the computer science related subjects, and a lot of graduates now. Earlier it was, Tapon, it was 9,600 people. Now probably we are going to we have our National Institute of Pride, the Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology. They will be with us also, and we have since there is a seismic concern, we have designed the building. We are designing the building to seismic zone 3 level, and that will be a very high-tech building technology used there. It's actually huge. The floor area is 88,000 square feet per floor, and it will be 3-storied one with all the facilities. We have tried to build our dream in this data center, and initially we will start with the ground floor, and this the
chairperson, special guest in the stage, and all the audiences, those who are sitting in front of me. At the very outset, I would like to say that I feel honored to be here. And a few minutes back, Mr. Shambhodotto was telling that most of the secretaries of our countries are not IT expert. And I must confess that I am not an IT expert. Except me, all of you are IT experts. Anyway, a few days back, I mean in the last month, I went to Manila, and Mr. Ashraf was with me also. And there we participated in a summit, and that was an international summit. And there I have seen one thing. Each and everybody of Manila, they eat ICT. They take ICT in the breakfast. They have ICT in the lunch. Every time they deal with the ICTs. So we are lagging behind. At least I have got this sort of lens while I was taking part in the summit in Manila. Anyway, today Mr. Tapon has given me one support to deliver a speech in this summit, and that is a written speech. I must read out it, And that will be better, since I am not an IT expert. Economy and take it to a higher trajectory of growth. Our target is to attain 10% economic growth rate by 2017 for strengthening on new opportunities and creating solutions that are aligned with our government's objectives in providing services to our citizens. Another information Mr. Ashraf has requested to me to say that in our ICT division we have a project, and by that project 34,000 young people are going to be trained off, and IT industries will be supported by them in future. Basis is our training partner with this project, and there are some other projects also in our ICT division. So I think that those projects will be helpful for our ICT sector's development in our country. I think in this summit you will be exchanging your ideas and knowledge, experience, so that we can move forward with our existing situation. And that's all from my part, and again I would like to thank the organizers to invite me here and be with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I am requesting Mr. Tapon Kanti Sarkar, founder president of CTO Forum Bangladesh and working as Chief Technology Officer at NCC Bank Limited.
Mr. Shyam Sundar Shikdar, Secretary ICT Division, Ministry of Post and Telecommunication and Information Technology. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation to be present here as a chief guest. And before joining as a secretary, he was the chairman of Bangladesh Small and Cottage Industries Corporation, BSCIC. Mr. Ashraful Islam, Executive Director, Bangladesh Computer Council. I would like to say a few things about Mr. Ashraf. I had the opportunity to work with him in a project called National Data Center as a member of that project. And I was really amazed to know that the kind of his IT expertise he has. We have found many executive directors before in Computer Council, but this is the first time I have seen a person like Mr. Ashraf, who is so knowledgeable, especially a 4-tier data center where he was actually chairman of that committee, and the way he has conducted the whole meetings, I was really amazed, and we are thankful and grateful, Mr. Ashraf, you have accepted our invitation within a very short time, and we expect more and more interesting projects from Computer Council and ICT Ministry. Mr. Naveen Mehra, Regional Manager of 14net, Mr. Aniz Ahmed, Territory Manager, UBM India, and partner of our 5th Bangladesh CTO Summit. Ladies and gentlemen, technology leaders, my colleagues, members from press and media, very good evening. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to welcome you all in this 5th CTO Summit of CTO Forum Bangladesh, in spite of a countrywide hartal, and today is the weekend day. So I'm really grateful to all of you for your kind presence in this August gathering. And probably you have noticed that this is the 5th CTO Summit we are doing with UBM India, and I'm grateful to Mr. Aniz, who has always supported us. Mr. Aniz, we have already discussing with Mr. Aniz, UBM India, to help us in organizing a SARC CTO Summit in 2015. Mr. Aniz has already agreed, but since UBM India is a multinational company, so he needs a lot of permission and formalities from them. And if they agreed, then we will request also ICT Ministry to join with us in this seminar, which will be the basic platform for information sharing among SARC countries' IT leaders. We have also participated from CTO Forum in many SARC seminars like in Sri Lanka, in India, through these SARC organizations. But if we can combine our effort all together, we have already contacted one or two Sri Lankan organizations. They are also interested. So if UBM India take the lead, then I believe we will be able to conduct that seminar very successfully. And today's, actually, this seminar is divided in two parts. First part is the opening part. After that, you will have 3 keynote speeches from Mr. Naveen Mehra, Regional Manager Fortinet, Mr. Rana Sohel, CIO VLR Rex, Professor Dr. Akhtar Hussain, who is also our CTO Forum member. They will deliver their keynote speech. Besides that, we have a panel discussion session which will be conducted by Mr. Shirin, DMD of Daj Bangla Bank, Mr. Lutfur Rahman, CIO of Airtel, Mr. Naved Iqbal, CIO BRAC IT, Mr. Debdulal Rai, DGM Bangladesh Bank, and Dr. Rijazul Haq, CTO Bank of Ceylon.